Alright, I pressed it.
Okay, we are going to have a Nerf war.
It's called Nerf 303. Don't trust me. No, not for real. Okay, ready, set, go! Stick your head up, Pocahontas. Dang it, Millie's in the video. Oh, forget that part. Come on, Pocahontas. Am I out? Oh, crap. I'm out. This is going on Nerf history. Oh, that hurt. Don't punch me in the nuts, fool. Oh, that sucks. I don't even have an automatic. Come on. What you got, Pocahontas? You got my eye. Don't be using my ammo.
Hey, I can use their ammo if I want to.
Don't hurt me. Thanks for all the ammunition. Get away from me, Pocahontas. Pocahontas' sister.
Oh my god! Back off! Get out of the way! What was that for? You got me in the face!
I thought I got you in the butt. I wonder how our video's going to be turning out.
Oh my god! What was that shot? In the ear!
You better run. Yeah, they're big.
Whoa.
I gotta cut this video short.